Due to many years of unhealthy habits and food choices, we find ourselves overweight or obese. Habits are hard to break, but they can be broken. Replace the unhealthy habits that have made you heavy with healthy habits. To help you lose weight and reach your weight loss goals, notice if any of these 7 habits apply to you. Change your habit, change your weight, change your life. 1. Eating sweet, sugary treats regularly. If you can eat a bite of something you'd like to eat, great. However, if it is a trigger food to set you off on a day-long binge, or longer, it is best to avoid eating it in the first place. Be aware of your behavior and know yourself. There are some food choices that I just can't handle. Thanks to losing my weight and maintaining it for years, I'm now able to be more in control. My trigger foods have lost their power over my ability to make healthy choices. 2. Eating fast food. Restaurant portions are huge. Usually, a portion in a restaurant is the equivalent to 3 or more healthy portions. If you must eat out, ask for a to-go box at the time that you order. When your meal comes, take your single portion and put the rest in the box. You'll save calories and money to eat it the following day. Fast food is void of nutrition but packed with calories, fat, and carbohydrates. Fast food may be fast, but it is far from healthy. The additional time you spent in preparing something healthy for you is minimal compared to the additional time spent trying to lose the weight from fast food. 3. Faster causes fatter. Slow it down. It takes 20 minutes for the message to travel from your stomach to your brain that you're satisfied. Yes, it takes 20 minutes for your brain to essentially catch up to your stomach's sinful cues. Eat slower to allow sufficient time for your stomach to communicate with your brain. In 20 minutes, you can consume a lot of excess food. Put down your fork or spoon between bites. 4. Have a sedentary mindset. Become aware for small ways to be active. Exercise is important, yet being active is also a mindset. Look for ways throughout your day to be more active. Little things can lead to a more active lifestyle and extra calories burned along with a boost to your metabolism. Take breaks and go outside for a different perspective and for some fresh air. Muscles were meant for movement rather than sitting at a desk all day. Take the stairs instead of the escalator, park further away rather than drive around for a closer space. People that lose weight and maintain it has a mindset to move their bodies. 5. Don't exercise regularly. There's no way around it. Exercise is a component to weight loss. Exercise, such as walking, a few days a week along with resistance training is the key to weight loss. Resistance training is important because it builds muscle. Muscle helps boost your metabolism and burns more fat. Even walking around the room, walking in place or lifting hand weights during commercials while you watch television can make a difference.
Do you have any tips we might have left out? If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out our #1 recommended products in the description below.